The gating values for each gate get controlled by a tiny logistic regression on the input parameters. Each of them has its own set of shared parameters. And there's an additional hyperbolic tangent sprinkled in here to keep the outputs between -1 and 1. It looks complicated, but once you write down the math, it's literally 5 lines of code, as you'll see in the assignment. And it's well behaved, continuous, and differentiable all the way, which means we can optimize those parameters very easily. So why do LSTMs work? Without going into too many details, all these little gates help the model keep its memory longer when it needs to, and ignore things when it should. As a result, the optimization is much easier, and the gradient vanishing vanishes.